kidding me? Are you kidding me? I can't. I'm impressed. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rain Maya, and I'm back again with another small business promo. Small business promo number 6. Wow, did y'all just see what let's do that again. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rain Maya, and I'm back again with another small business promo. Period. I know y'all been waiting for this. Before we get started, I would like to give a shout out to Divine Confidence 333 for these nails. Like, look at these Gucci inspired nails. Tell me it's not giving bougie. No, but for real, these nails are so cute. I'm just making sure y'all can see it good enough. Okay. So these are the packages that we have today. We have a good little bunch. If you are interested in joining small business promo number 7, make sure you contact me using my Instagram or my email. It will be linked down below. If you guys are interested, it will be linked. And I will also have instructions, so be ready, because I will keep doing these promos if you guys want me to. So yeah, let's hop straight into the video. This is the first package. Oh, I didn't even cut it open. This is what it looks like. Ooh, a pink scrunchie. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I am in love with scrunchies. Like, I have so many, but I don't even care. I don't even care, because look at how cute these be. Can y'all see that? Mad cute. All right, this is from Marielle Cosmetics. This is her business card. It won't really focus. On the back it says, "Thank you so much for supporting my business. This really means a lot to me. I hope you like the product." Thanks, boo. And she just sent over a lip scrub. I think it's green apple flavor. Not too sure though. There is oil on the outside that got on the gloss, so just make sure you double check when you package up your lip scrubs. It is very common for lip scrubs to like spill out, the oil to be everywhere, but we as business owners have to make sure that doesn't happen. Here's the first gloss. It's labeled with her logo, and the second gloss is labeled as well. Okay, I'm not too sure what's going on here, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna try to show you guys. So this one has like bubbles all in it, like these like white specks, those are bubbles. There's bubbles on all in here, and I'm not too sure why that happened, but it could be the way that you mixed it. I'm not too sure. Again, I don't know. But there's also like spots of color here and there, spots of pigment here and there that you should also be careful. You don't want spots of pigment in your glosses that you're selling. You want it to look nice, clean, consistent, you know. And then this one has the spots as well. It's like the color is completely pulling itself away from your gloss. I'm not too sure if that's making any sense, but a lot of the colors at the bottom, you guys can't see, but just really try to be careful when you're mixing your glosses, and also make sure you're getting the best ingredients that you possibly can. Ooh, This smells good though. Super good. Super good. Let me smell the other one. Yeah, so look at how that's coming out. And y'all know lip gloss is not supposed to come out like this. So yeah, really be careful in how you're mixing your glosses and what you're using. That's all I have to say. Now we're gonna move on to the next package. This package is from Kay's Shop Tactics. Period. That is so cute. Her sticker is so cute. And then she has 2 fragile stickers. Yeah, let it be known, because these people, I don't know, they just must hate their job or something. Got the nerve to be throwing around packages and stuff. So here's her business card. Kay's Shop Tactics. Okay. I think this is a note. Yeah, it is. This is so cute. She says, "Hey Rain, thanks for giving me this opportunity. I've sent you a lip gloss, keychain, 3 pink fairy bangles, and a custom bangle. Hope you enjoy, and thanks again." No problem, boo. So let's see what she sent. First off, this is what everything came in. I like how all the bags are the same color. So this is the custom bangle that she sent me. It just says my name on it, which is so cute. Thank you so much. That's mad cute. Then she sent me 3 more bangles, and they're the pink fairy bangles. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm in love. These are all so pretty. It's like the shade of pink for me. Like, it's really the shade of pink. And the camera is not doing these any justice, but they are so beautiful. And then lastly, she sent me a lip gloss keychain. Cute. So thank you so much, boo. Everything was nice. Nice packaging. She even includes some jewelry, care tips, you know, how to take care of your jewelry, stuff like that. So everything was nice. I liked it. Thank you so much for joining this promo, girl. This next package is from Juicy Lip Gloss Collection. This is her business card. These are some lashes that she sent. I really like this gold paper, to be honest. And these are what the lashes look like. So yeah. And then she sent a lip gloss in here, and it is very much labeled. Okay, I like that a lot. And she sent me an Airheads. Thanks, boo. I'm eating that after this video. But I'm gonna smell this gloss. It has glitter in it. Oh, it smells good. Look at how cute that looks. So all I would say is just put a lash style name, I don't know, somewhere on here. Somewhere, just so that, you know, your customers know what the name of the lashes are. Besides that, everything was good. On to the next. This is from Lulula Collection. Lulula. Okay. I feel slow trying to read this. Lulala. Or is it Lulula? Okay. Anyways, I sound dumb. That's from them. This is her business card. Cute. She also sent a thank you card. She says, "Hey Raymaya, thank you for giving me the opportunity to send you my products. You are my biggest inspiration and one of the reasons I finally started my business." Thank you. "I really hope you love your bracelets. I gave you a basic gold, inspirational, and a personality bangle. Keep striving with your business. Very proud of you. Thank you so much, boo." Then she says, "Stay bold and beautiful. Love, Lulula Collection. CEO, Kiara Marie." Thank you so much. This is what her bangles come in. She said she sent a basic gold. There's an elephant. I think that's like a tree, a 4-leaf clover, and a feather. So yeah, basic gold. Here's the inspirational one. And it just says, "Blessed, live your dream." And she believed she could, so she did. Period. And then this is the personality bangle. Y'all know I love my pink. Like, y'all really be paying attention to me. This is so cute. We got the lips, the lipstick, the flower, and the little carriage. That's so cute. Thank you so much, boo. I'm gonna put the pink one on. Ew. This next package is from Peyton Cosmetics. So she sent a note. Muchas gracias. "Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I appreciate the exposure of this small business promo. All glosses." Oh, the gloss contains vitamin E oil, castor oil, and coconut oil. Thank you. Here's her business card. I love how nice and simple it is. And I can't forget to mention that the colors go beautifully together. So, love this. So, this is the gloss from Peyton Cosmetics. I love the silver cap on this. And this smells like bubblegum. And it's pink. Only thing I would say is you should put the name of the gloss on here somewhere, if the gloss even has a name. I don't know if it does or doesn't. But yeah, that's it. Besides that, girl, you good. So thank you so much for joining this promo. This is the next package. All right, so this is everything that was in there. She sent me my invoice and a note. Ooh, this card though. Period. She says, hi again. She says, hi. Again, we are very thankful to be given a platform to showcase our products. We are Black women-owned and specialize in holistic beauty of the skin, lips, hair, and spiritual energies in order to manifest your best life. With love and light, the manifestiary. The manifestiary. I don't know if I said that right. So let's see. First of all, can we talk about her invoice? Like, this is bomb. Like, color scheme is on point. Everything looks so nice. I love this. So let's see what's in here. This bag is cute. I'm gonna try to flatten it out and like use it for my like pens and stuff, like a pencil case, because that's mad cute. Okay, so let's go through these cards first. So this is their socials card. This is some affirmations. Wow. This is so cool. Affirmations on here, and then on the back are prayers. And I'm really getting more into like spiritual things. So this right here is like beautiful. This last paper is the thank you card. I love this. Like, all the colors go together. Everything is just beautiful. Literally beautiful. I'm loving everything so far. This is the top down tantalizing tea rinse. Oh my gosh, look at the sticker. I can't. Like, I'm obsessed right now. I'm obsessed right now. So yeah, there's just tea bags in here. And then this is the I Have Everything vegan small patch poured. Oh, this is the money soap. This is the I Have Everything money soap. It has glitter in it too. Yes, and I think at the side they like slice it like this so it could be like a stack of money. Like, how cute. How cute is that? Then it says the manifestiary in it. I love how your soap comes in a box. Like, that's just beautiful. Seriously. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Yeah, I have no idea. I don't know. I don't know. This might go with the tea, but I don't know like how to use it. Then see what's in here. Oh my gosh. I am so doing the instructions on here. This is their authentic rose quartz plus 7 chakra healing bracelet. So there's 7 different chakras on here, and then there's rose quartz on here. So they also give instructions on what to do with it, how to use it, how to clean it. So I will definitely be doing that. Wow, thank you so much. And then we have one more thing here. Wow. It's the label for me. This is the Scalp and Growth Blend with black seed and baroque root oil. Yes. And then look at the label. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I can't. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Like, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. But wow, like, wow. Thank you so much for everything. I cannot wait to try out the chakra bracelet. And I can't wait to use this soap because I need money, okay? I need to be rich. Like now. Like yesterday. So thank you so much for joining this pummel. Everything was beautiful. Literally everything. I'm going to have to check you guys out because now I'm interested. This next package is from Princess Jewel Shop. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here's 2 of her business cards. Here's the back. So this is her thank you card, and this is her discount card where she gives you a code. And this is really cute. First thing I saw was this pen. Like, how cute is this pen? How cute. There's stars in here. So pretty. And I'm getting into journaling and planning and stuff, so this is so cute. I'm definitely going to use this. Here's the next thing. Period with the logo sticker. Period. Don't sell no items without your logo. Okay. Period. Not just a headband. This honestly looks so cute. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna wear it with. Ooh, actually, I do have something I could wear this with. But yeah, this is cute. Ooh, hold on, y'all. So, a glasses cleaner. Here's the glasses. Purple. So I love how everything has something to do with purple. You can tell that their business, like, they know what their business colors are, and they're gonna make sure that you know it too, okay? That's the vibe I'm getting, and I'm here for it. I didn't even realize, but look, period. Thank you. I needed to see somebody do this because, like, you guys send me so many things that I don't be knowing who sent me what, because some things don't have labels. Like, so thank you so much for doing this. I love that you did that. Great idea. She also sent a sunglass cleaner in this cute little bottle. And this is the last thing. Ooh la la. Hair clips. This one is 3 smiley faces, which, oh my gosh, guys, come on now. Like, how cute is that? These are just little rhinestones, and this one has like pearls and rhinestones. So cute. Thank you so much. I love everything, period. Everything looks mad cute. Can't wait to try it out and put it to use. Thank you so much for joining this promo, boo. And this is the last package of the promo from Glam Cosmetics. So she sent me 3 business cards. And then 2 thank you cards. And one of them on the back says, "Thank you so much, Rain, for helping my dream come true. I love you so much. Love you too, girl. Love, Glam." Thanks, boo. So in here, she just has some bangles, and on top it says thank you. I love how this is all together, like your bangles aren't just everywhere in your package. These are cute. These are cute. You just see some details. Eiffel Tower on there. Hearts. Like, cute. This is cute. Then she sent 2 scrunchies. Ow. Period. I love when y'all send me scrunchies, yo. I really do. And then lastly, she sent me 2 glosses and a lip scrub. This is Galaxy. It has a cute little charm up there. And it's sparkly. This is giving me princess vibes. It doesn't really have a smell to it. This one is Glam Glitz. This one doesn't really have a smell either. And then for the lip scrub, it's called Grape Hand Scrub. Yeah, and it smells like grape. Some of the oil got on the outside, which is okay. You know, we've been talking about it in all my promos. Just make sure you try your best not to let the oil get outside. The lip scrub too. And also when you're filling your gloss, when you're filling up your glosses, try to make sure you're actually filling it up and getting the most gloss that you can possible, because I'm looking in these tubes and there's like air bubbles, there's spaces that like I can see through that I know need to be filled. So be very careful. You don't want any of your customers to feel like, you know, you skimping them or something of their lip gloss. Anyways, besides that, everything was good. Thank you so much, Boo, for joining this promo. And thank you to everybody else who joined this promo. That is the end of this promo. If you would like to join Small Business Promo number 7, please don't forget to contact me via Instagram or email, and I will be sure to get back to you so that you can join the next Small Business Promo. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have a small business, comment your small business and what you sell down below. And I hope you have a great 2021.
Met a baddie, she be low-key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, Jose. I show my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on with him.